Hello and welcome to this short instructional movie on how to create your own blog using the Blogger software tool as available within the Google Apps package that you actually have access to from your student mail. So basically what you need is a browser window, and I'm recommending the Chrome browser since that is the one that works most smooth together with the Google Apps package. So basically I need to go to mail.student.lmu.se, and that brings you to the login window, and here you need to have your mail credentials ready. So these are the same usernames and passwords that you've been given to access basically whatever. So this is my username, and the password was saved already since I've done this before. So now I got into the mail. So basically by clicking more, I can also go to the Blogger tool. Now, since I have not done this before, I'm asked to confirm my profile. So let's see, profile options, create a Google Plus profile. That might not be possible. No, let's go back. Let's use the limited blogger profile. And yeah, whatever. No, I don't want those announcements. So I'm creating a blogger profile. I will be displayed as Matthias LMU. Matthias Davidson, LMU. That's my name, and I work here. So continue to Blogger. Yeah. So that was fairly simple. How do I now create a new blog? Well, oops, there you go. Let's press it. New blog title: Matthias testing this out for. Well, that's a rather bad name. Matthias test blog. So what should be Matthias test? That's not available, so I need to find a funny name. Maybe it's better actually to use my name like that. But actually I don't want to use that. Test. Matthias Davidson test. That's actually available. That's good. And now I should use some kind of template for the layout and the looks of the blog. I feel a bit black today, so I'm going to use this black one. And then I'll just create the blog. So now obviously I created my blog, and I could directly start posting by pressing the crayon looking tiny little looking button here. I'm just going to create a blog post, and I'm adding a title. This is my first and post on this new and exciting blog. Yeah, quite good. Now there are some interesting things here. You could, for example, add labels. So maybe I would like to label this post something like, well, I don't know, 4ME. I don't actually remember right now. So labeling it with a course, and I separate it by a comma, and this is now an assignment. So I'm labeling it as an assignment. I could actually schedule when I want the blog post to be published. I can add an location, and there are some options here. I could allow for comments from the reader, for example, and I would suggest that you actually do that. So, well, then again, you can add links, you can add images, movies, and so on. And you can actually edit the HTML code, so you can actually add and embed stuff from other sites using this tool as well. So let's add a nice picture. Ah, that's a nice one. So now I also have an image uploaded, and I could of course left align it if I would like to, like that. And why not preview? Have a look. What will it look like? Ah, oh, looking good, looking good. So let's just go back and publish it. Now it's published. Now you will get a list of blogs here. You can also create pages within the blog. So these are fixed pages separated from your main blog row. You can create a blank page, for example. This is my top 5 list. So I'm creating a top 5 page here. I'm publishing it. So I have now created a page, I've made a post. I can also look at the comments. I could not, unfortunately at this stage, at least when I'm recording this video, integrated with Google+, at least not using this account. I can look at the statistics. I can change the layout of my blog. I can add, for example, gadgets and stuff. So there are many things to do. And I would recommend simply that you play around with it. So it is possible, of course, that during the course that we will come up with more instructions on how to, for example, add tags to your posts so that we can easily find them. But I think that a good rule is that you in some way name your blog so that it's actually possible to find which one has written the blog. So that's basically it. Let's have a look at the blog. So this looks good. This is my first, but then again, you can see that I can actually not see the page that I created. That could be a problem. So how do I fix that, and why can't I see it? Let's press design. So layout. I could add that perhaps as a gadget, or maybe it's possible to change the header in some way. Or was that in the navigation? No, not really. Let's add a gadget. Pages. It's already added, so it should be visible. Maybe I just missed it. Because there is a page, isn't it? Here's the top 5 page. You needed to actually change something here within the pages settings. So top tabs. Now the pages will be shown as a number of tabs in the top of the blog. So let's have a look. Yeah, you see the tabs. The top 5 page is clearly visible. The home screen is basically my blog row. That's about it. Okay, over and out, and if there is something else, I will just add a short new movie. Okay, see you.